Good morning students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about another important topic, that is nominal compound. In our daily uses, we use these kind of words but we do not know how to form them. Today in this video we are going to talk about all of the rules to combine the two words to make nominal compounds. So please stay tuned and watch the whole video, and if you find it beneficial then do consider subscribing my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my new videos. Stay tuned. First of all, we have to know what is nominal compound. Nominal compound is something which is made by combining two or more than two words. For example, moonlight. You see, two words moon and light are combined and a new word is formed, that is moonlight. If I say teaspoon, you see tea and spoon, two different words are added together and create a new word, that is teaspoon. So in that way, when two or more than two words are combined to make a new word, that is called nominal compound or compound nouns. Now we are going to talk about all the rules to make nominal compounds. First of all, by adding two nouns. By adding two nouns, we can create a nominal compound. For example, bedroom. Bed is a noun, room is a noun, and when these two are combined, a new noun is formed, that is bedroom. So bedroom is the room which is used for sleeping in bed. Then you see another example, bookworm. Book is a noun, worm is another noun, and then two words are added together and create a new word, that is bookworm, which is used to suggest the person who are very much devoted to the books, who loves to read books. Another example, book fair. You see, book is a noun, fair is another noun. The two are combined and create a new word, book fair. A fair which is used for selling books. If I want to give some more examples, like you see earring. Earring. Two nouns are added and create a new word, earring. So in that way, by adding two nouns, we can create a nominal compound. Secondly, by adding adjective and a noun, we can also create a nominal compound. Adjective plus noun. For example, greenhouse. You see, green is an adjective here, house is a noun here, and it is these two are combined and create a new word, greenhouse. If I say green tea, again you see green is an adjective, tea is a noun, and they two are combined to create green tea. If I say solar energy, yes, another most important example I can say, solar energy. You see, solar is an adjective, energy is a noun, and these two are combined and create a new noun, solar energy. So in that way, by adding adjective with a noun, we also can create nominal compound. Thirdly, by adding noun with an adjective. So don't be confused. The second one was adjective plus noun, and now we are going to talk about noun plus adjective. For example, sea green. Sea green. You see, sea is the noun, green is the adjective. Sky blue. Sky is the noun, blue is the adjective. If I say homesick, home is the noun, sick is the adjective, and these two are combined and create a new noun, homesick. The person who are very devoted, or I can say the person who are very attached to home person actually, homesick. So you see, in that way, we can create nominal compound by adding a noun with an adjective. Fourthly, by adding a verb with a noun, we can also create nominal compounds. For example, breakfast. You see, break is the verb, fast is the noun, and it creates breakfast. So a tiffin which is used for breaking our fast. So that is called breakfast. If I say pickpocket, you see pick is the verb, pocket is the noun, and it becomes pickpocket. And it means a person who picks pocket. Another example, passbook. You see pass is the verb, book is the noun, and it creates a nominal compound passbook. Book which is used for maintain an account of the bank. So in that way you see it becomes a nominal compound. The next one, by adding a noun with a verb. Again I am telling, don't be confused. The previous one I have told verb plus noun. Now I am telling noun plus verb. Now we are going to give the examples of that. You see, for example, bodyguard. Body is the noun, guard is the verb, and it becomes bodyguard. If I say daybreak, again you see day is the noun, break is the verb, and it becomes a daybreak. Bus stop. Bus is the noun, stop is the verb, and it becomes bus stop. And in that way you see all these words become the nominal compounds. So you see already we have talked about 6 rules of making nominal compound. The next one, preposition plus verb. How? You see income. Income. In plus come. In is the preposition, come is the verb, and it becomes income, and which means earning. So in that way you see by adding preposition with the verb we also can create nominal compound. The next one, by adding verb plus preposition, just the opposite of the previous one. You see lock up. Lock is the verb, up is the preposition, and when we have added these two it becomes lock up, which means the place where the prisoners are actually kept. Another one, make up. Make is the verb, up is the preposition, and it becomes make up. Make over. Make is the verb, over is the preposition, and it becomes make over, a new noun. So in that way they become the nominal compounds. Now we are going to talk about another one which is preposition plus noun. For example, afternoon. You see after is the preposition, noon is the noun, it becomes afternoon, a time of the day. For example, another one, outlaw. Out is the preposition, law is the noun, and it becomes outlaw. That means the person who actually do not follow the rules of the law. So it is called actually outlaw. So in that way you see it becomes another nominal compound. Now we are going to talk about another rule, that is by adding verb plus ing or ed plus noun. That means actually present participle or past participle plus noun. For example, blotting paper. You see blotting, B-L-O-T-T-I-N-G, paper is the noun. Blotting is the present participle, paper is the noun, and by adding these two it becomes a new noun, blotting paper. If I say withered flower, withered is a past participle or verb plus ed. With that, flower, it is a noun, is added and it becomes withered flower. Next one, by adding a noun with the verb plus ing plus ed. For example, again sun rising. You see sun is the noun, then with that rising, verb plus ing form is added. Sun rising. Oil painting. You see oil is the noun, painting, verb plus ing form. And it is mixed up and it becomes a new noun, oil painting. So in that way, we can form nominal compound. Now we are going to talk about some nominal compounds which are actually formed by adding more than 2 words. For example, mosquito control department. You see mosquito control department. 3 words are added and a new nominal compound is formed. Mosquito control department. Next one, machine made clothes. You see, machine, one word, made, another word, clothes, another word. And these three are combined together and create a new word, machine made clothes. If I say birthday party, again you see birth, day, party. These three words are combined and create a new nominal compound. So in that way, by adding more than two words, we also can create nominal compounds. Hope this video will be helpful for you to understand what is nominal compound and how to form the nominal compounds, because here I have discussed all the rules to create nominal compounds. If you find it beneficial, then do share with your friends who can also be helpful from this one. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.